Hi all, we will see questions on rank transformation, like what is rank transformation, difference between rank and aggregator transform,
So discuss some
etc.
example so that you understand some more scenario. Let's cover. Yeah, some questions and in rank. What is rank actually? Because if you give an interview that there are some questions like asking like what is the rank, why rank we are telling as a active transformation, why it's connected transformation, right? So that kind of things you can answer like this. A rank is an active and connected transformation used to select a top or bottom, okay, values of data. It's basically filter the required number of record from the top or from the bottom, okay. How does rank transfer differ from aggregator transformation function max and mean? Because like the aggregator transformation, here is answer. Like the aggregator transformation, the rank transformation also group information, right? The rank transform allow us to select a group top or bottom value, not just one value in the case of okay. So third question is how does rank cache work? What is the work behind this? So we understand during the session here is trying to explain. During the session, the integration service compare an input row with rows in the data cache. If the input row outranks in a cache row, the integration service replace the cache row with the input row. Okay, why we are replacing? Because it's compare and it's found that there is no data in your cache. That's why you replace not matching. That's why you replace that value. If we configure the rank transformation to rank based on different group, the integration service rank incrementally for each group. It's fine. The integration service create an index cache to store the group information and the data cache for the row data. Okay. Fourth question is what is rank port and rank index? What does actually? The rank port is an output input and output port. Okay, rank index. If you notice there, this is the default columns. Okay, I used to specify the column for each for which we want to rank the source value. By default, Informatica create an output port rank index for each rank transformation. It stored the rank position for each row in a group. This one is nothing but this one showing as a rank data actually, right? If you configure like any department wise group by function kind of group things, then it based on that rank value it will change actually. But if you not configure anything, it will be given default value based on whatever you configure. It will be given the rank. Okay. How can you get rank based on the different group? Answer like if rank transformation let us group transformations information, we can configure one of its input port and output port as a group by port. For each unique value in the group port, the transformations create a group of rows filing within the rank definitions, right? Top or bottom and a particular number in each rank. Okay. What happen if two rank value match? Suppose if your rank value conflict, right? Then if two rank value match, they receive the same value in the rank index and the transformation skip the next value. Transformation automatically handle, right? Suppose if for two rank value match, right? They receive the same value in the same index, same rank index, and the transformation skip the next value. You got it right. Suppose your rank is matching, right? It will be they receive the same value. Suppose your salary was same, right? If you notice there two department, there is one department their salary is same. That's why you're not given the next rank. It's given the same rank. That's why you're telling. What are the restriction of rank? What is the restriction under this? Because every transformation have some restriction. Okay. So what are the restriction inside the? We can connect port from only the one transformation. Here is telling we can connect the port from the only one transformation because we cannot connect from multiple transformation in your rank. There is the limitation actually. We select the top or bottom rank only. We need to select the number of records in each rank. Okay. We can designate only one rank port in a rank transformation. Means always you can only one rank port. Okay. We cannot define the multiple rank inside your mapping. That is the limitation of rank transformations. Next question is actually how does rank transformation handle string value? Because how it's handled, because inside the rank transformation can return the string at the top or the bottom of a session sort order when integration services run in Unicode mode. Okay, there is Unicode mode, there is a code page. Suppose you are working in Informatica environment, there is some code page concept there. Suppose you are executing your server is installed on where in a Unix server, right? Then you work on all our Unicode mode, right? It sorts character data in session using the select sort order associated with the code page of integrations service, which may be French, German, etc. When the integration service run an ASCII mode, it ignore the setting and use a binary sort order. Code page is nothing. Suppose just in US we are working on all our English language, right? In code page there is and in a code page, suppose you are defined as a your server is installed on Unix, but you are defined as a Microsoft Windows ASCII kind of mode, right? There some character it will be replaced with a special character. Okay, if you notice, if you suppose your server is defined there, right? Connection Unix, but your connection is not defined as a Unicode UNI kind of, then it will be changed. Some value is come like English, but some is special character like space or comma or apostrophe s, it will be converted as a question mark. Then that time you need to check your code page as well parallelly if your any character came from source and it will be converted via your transformation, then you need to update your code page. You need to discuss with your admin team, then inform, yeah, there is code page is different, looks like different, so please change your according to environments. Okay. So this is the code page work, and the code page also work somewhere. Suppose your source is coming your from, because some language like the French, here talking of French and German, right? But that language is different from English. So that time you need to change your code page in French, because some code page provided by Informatica, you can convert your word all things, all environment in your that different language. Okay, because that code page will read all related keywords in French and it will be converted accordingly. Otherwise, some partially it will be converted because some keywords is matching with German, right? In German language, some words is matching with your English. That word it will be converted based correct, and the rest word it will convert as a different. I don't know what things, but you don't understand that character actually. That's why we said you can use that code page according to your business where exists residing there. Okay. What is the dense rank? Actually, in rank there is dense rank also, right? Rank and dense rank. Okay. So what is dense rank actually? Does the Informatica support dense rank? This is the question actually. If you notice in PLSQL and Oracle, there is rank and dense rank both concept, right? You know what is the dense rank?
Yeah, if there are like number of same salary coming for number of rows.
Yeah, just like same. This is the example, and when multiple rows share the same rank, right? Uh, just below example, like 4,000, 4,000. This is same. Rank is same, right?
Mhm.
In dense rank also it will be same, but in dense rank only one difference. Suppose you are going in 300, right? The rank is in rank we are skipping the second actually. The rank is originally it will be read 1 and 2 here, right?
Right.
But rank is skip the second number. But in dense rank it will be not skip anything. It will be sequence wise. Will work. Suppose he came in 300 salary, so salary is different, font salary different, then rank it will be second. But in dense rank should be like 2, but rank is 3. Why? Because rank is skip the second number. He calculated based on your uh, records and
Correct.
skip the second number. But in dense rank, it will be not skip anything. It will be given the as a sequence type of number. That is the difference. That's why you are telling the same rank. The next rank in the sequence is not consecutive. On the other hand, dense rank assign the consecutive ranks. That is the difference actually. Rank is not a consecutive actually, but dense rank is consecutive. Take the following example. This is the example. Suppose here 3, 4, okay, but here is given 3, okay. Here is a consecutive rows coming, and next is same, and second department is 20. There is 1 and 2, 1, 2, okay. Here is given 2 again, 150, okay. Here is also okay because salary is change, department change, right? So this one is notice here. This one simple example. Suppose the same salary, but in rank side, you configure the rank. It will be change like your sequence, right? So this is the difference actually, rank and dense. So the normal rank will generate the result set where we can miss rank equal to 2, missing from department A. So for due to sharing of the same rank between multiple record, on the other hand, the dense rank will generate all the consecutive ranks. Informatica rank transformation, simple rank, not a dense rank. Okay, we are not providing the dense rank inside the Informatica, right? Only you can handle in PLSQL. So using Informatica rank transform, we may miss consecutive rank. Got it? How do we achieve this type of dense rank in Informatica? Means you want to achieve this concept in Informatica. Then how do we achieve this scenario? So this scenario can achieve via by using the functionality in Informatica. We'll use the combination of sorter expression and the filter transformation based on the previous example data set. Let's say we want to get the top 2 highest salary for each department as per dense rank. Okay, they use a sorter transformation with department wise ascending and salary should be like descending. Okay, like this. After sorter, place and expressions transformations, department input, this is the input, weak component a variable port. Variable port, you need to write the this concept if department is not equal to your variable department in previous. Okay, this is the previous, two variable is created, and then one, right? We are creating the rank. If your department previous your department equal to previous department and the salary is not equal to previous salary, then rank plus 1. Okay, rank is this is the output code. Okay, you give it and define the same this one. Initially this will give in the one rank. If next time it will be change rank plus 1 kind of a. So this is the variable code. Okay, so via this concept, you can handle the dense rank concept. Okay. because here manually we are doing like this in our expression transformations. Then you can use the filter, and top 5 you can select via the filter transformers, and it will be only 5 record it will be transfer in your target table. Okay. Next is example. Source table has the 5 row. Rank in rank transformation is set to 10. How many rows the rank transformation will be output? There is some scenario I will share so that you can just go through. Okay. These are the scenario. Everything I will share inside your. Okay. You can just go through. I just explain everything here. Yeah. In side rank. This is all about the rank. Okay.